Hello everybody. Today we will present the Keel and Station 12, as you can see here. Please look on how we did this and like and subscribe and write comments. Thank you very much.
.1 meters, 3 layers, 1 keel. Let me show you how we built it.
Now another keel. The keel is a big piece, 6.1 meter, and I will start to do the strips. Will be in 3 lamination with each 50 millimeters, and I have prepared 2 slabs here, and I will cut them in 80 millimeter and then sand them down to 50 millimeter. But it's needed more wood. Victor has a source, he will come with more wood.
We already began to build our keel. We used a square tube in the back just to top the 2 layers that are already in place. How did we do it? We used glue or epoxy in each side of the wood, waited for 15-20 minutes to penetrate the wood, then we applied again more epoxy, put them together and clamped them like the way that you are seeing here. And here we have 3 meters, so half our keel, 2 layers, so we need 3 more meters down the road, and we need an extra layer to make the 45 millimeters. As you can see, there's an absurd number of clamps. We are just giving 24 hours time to make these get really glued together. And we are going to keep building and reporting back to you guys as we go.
Yeah, now I have done 2, 3 plus meters, and now I will join them. I also started to do the 3rd layer of one of them. I glue with epoxy, and that takes time. Now we have 5 meters. And to glue with epoxy takes time. You have to be sure that it fits and it glue good. And it's 24 hours for dry.
Okay guys, we're pretty much done with the keel. As you can see, it's just the final, perhaps 5 or 6 feet, the 3rd layer of the last 5 feet. And we got these pretty much straightened. We used regular guides, we used laser, we used as many options as we had available, but it's now very straight and pretty much ready to go, in this case up, right, while we are building the boat. And next is setting up Station 12, and once we set up Station 12, then we put the keel up on top, and we have to do a little bit of an arrangement here because the keel is 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters wide, and we have to make it fit here at about 1 foot or so, 1 foot. We have to make it go into or meet with this, which is 65 millimeters. Once we do this, we just start finishing up, setting up all the other stations, and we'll keep reporting back to you as we go. So we set up the station number 12 in its place, and once we did that, we just presented the keel up front all the way and adjust the height with these 2 pieces of wood. So it's all in place. Now we know that it's being built as it was designed. We just have to work on a little bit of the details and do a lot of sanding and a lot of gluing in some parts that got somehow weak. And once we do that, we'll keep putting all the other units. And so that you can see here, it gets all to this point. We have to now somehow shape these together and make them fit together, exactly together. So it's a detail work what it's coming in the next few days. And after that, we'll set up the other stations and we'll keep reporting back to you guys.